Consider the plot below. For the number 2, there's 1, 2, 3 data points. For the number 4, there's 1, 2 data points. Number 5, there's 1, 2 data points. The number 6, 1 data point. And the number 7, 2 data points. Which data set matches the line plot? Let's go back and write out the data points. For the number 2, there was 1, 2, 3 data points. So I'm going to put the 3 2s here. For the number 4, there's 1, 2 data points. So 1, 2. There's my 2 4s. For the number 5, there's 1, 2. So 2 5s. There's my 2 5s. There's 1 6. And for the number 7, there are 1, 2 data points for 7. So there are my 2 7s. Now I need to match this data set with A, B, C, or D. So I'm going to focus on 4s. No, I'm going to focus on 6. I'm going to focus on 6 because there's only 1 6, and it's easy for me to find 1 6. So in A, is there a 6? There's no 6 in A. So A does not work because there are no 6s there. Let's look at B. Looking at B, are there any 6s here? No, there are no 6s. So for B, the data set does not match the line plot. Now let's look at C. For C, is there a 6? Yes, there's a 6. And for D, is there a 6? Yes, there's a 6. Okay, now let's look on another number. Let's choose 7s. For C, there are 2 7s, and for D, there are 2 7s. So both those data points are both eligible right now. We're just trying to eliminate which ones. Let's focus on 5s. And there's no particular order other than I see 2 5s. So for C, are there 5s? Yes, there's 2 5s and 2 5s for D also. So now let's focus on 4s. Looks like we have 4s. So now let's focus on 4s. So here there are 2 4s. Data set C, there's only 1, so there are no 4s here. So data set C does not work because it doesn't contain any 4s. I was looking for 2 4s. In data set D, there are 2 4s. Just for fun, let's take a look at the number of 2s. There's 1, 2, 3 2s, 1, 2, 3 2s. So what does this tell us? That means the data set for D matches all the numbers here, which created this line plot. So our answer is D.